What is up, guys? Today we're going to be going over some of the most beautiful and luxurious countries in the world. In this video I'm going to be going over my top 6 luxurious countries, and this kind of just goes for all the countries I've been to. So I've been to 48 countries and these are my top 6. So hope you guys enjoy it. Let's hop right in. Alright, first up is Turks and Caicos, and it's funny because up until about a month before I went to this country, I didn't even know it existed. When I first heard the name, I was super confused, but man, this place blew me away. Some of the bluest water I've ever seen. Has this massive, crazy abandoned ship called La Famille Express. There's just massive $1 million luxury, massive estates, and they're so beautiful. They all have like the most unique pools, the most unique architecture. It's kind of like Greece type villas. It's kind of that sort of architecture, and it's just so freaking beautiful. There's tons of stuff to do. There's tons of water sports. There's tons of relaxing, beautiful white sand beaches. And it's just like the ultimate place to relax in the Caribbean. It is not cheap though. I will say this is a place that I was going for a job, and if I was going on my own, I definitely would not be able to afford the same type of places. Nonetheless, this is an amazing and beautiful luxurious country. Alright, next one goes without saying. The Maldives are probably the most luxurious place on the entire planet. Similar to like Bora Bora and French Polynesia, the Maldives is just pure luxury. It's a complete island nation. There's thousands of islands that make up the Maldives. In this video you're seeing shots of Conrad Rangali Island, and I stayed here while working with the hotel, just doing some promotional videos for them, and this place was out of this world. Overwater bungalows, pretty much every single place looks like a presidential suite. Everyone has their private pool, they have their private access to the ocean. White sand beaches, I mean, you are literally staying on like an island, and the entire island is your hotel. So it's just the ultimate secluded relaxation place, and it is just so freaking unbelievable. If there was a place I wanted to just go for a month and just disappear from the world and any duties I had, I would definitely choose the Maldives. Alright, so next up is going to be Greece, and this is kind of the hub of luxury for all of Europe. It is known for its architecture, it's known for its kind of white and blue color palette. All of the buildings are this beautiful white architecture. Pretty much everywhere you go, same thing. You know, you're going to have a private pool, you're going to have amazing views of the Mediterranean Sea, of all just layers of stacked pools and white architecture. It's so beautiful. A lot of the buildings and hotels and resorts are built on cliff sides, so it just kind of takes it up an extra notch. This is definitely an amazing place for kind of a romantic getaway, a honeymoon, or just ultimate relaxation and luxury. All of the resorts are beautiful. They have a lot more options, kind of from budget-friendly places to extremely top-notch, super costly places, but Greece is an amazing luxury destination. Alright, number 4, I kind of wanted to throw in a little bit of a curveball and put in Switzerland. And the reason I put this in was kind of just luxury for this country meant in the way of just beautiful, endless views, amazing mountains, and kind of luxury in the outdoor sense. So Switzerland is a pretty small country, but the entire country just has the most insane mountain peaks, high alpine lakes. It's so lush and green, and there's just so many unique things, like bridges that look like they belong in Lord of the Rings or Game of Thrones. There are tons and tons of super luxury resorts and hotels. I have actually not had the privilege to stay in any in Switzerland, but let alone the nature on its own. I've been to Switzerland twice, and it is just a country filled with endless activities and beautiful things to do, and it's just such an amazing destination. Alright, next up is the Bahamas, and this footage is going to be from Nassau. I was there for work, so I wasn't able to explore too many other islands, but Nassau itself is incredible. It's the capital of the Bahamas, and there's so much stuff to do. There's, parasailing, taking out boats, jet skis, wakeboarding, tubing, water skiing. It is incredible, and the water is just out of this world. This is kind of located in the same area of Turks and Caicos and all of the stuff in the Caribbean. I don't think it's geographically in the Caribbean. I think it's kind of on its own. Some of the resorts here, like the Baha Mar, it's just you go in there and it's almost like a Vegas hotel, one of those hotels where there's just endless things to do and so many fun things. There's casinos, there's amazing restaurants, there's all these shops, and then some of the hotels will just have dozens and dozens and dozens of pools. Some of them will have your own pool. So the Bahamas is an amazing luxury destination. And last up, number 6, is going to be Mexico. And Mexico, I've actually been to a handful of times. I've only been to the Yucatan Peninsula, places like Cancun, Playa del Carmen, Tulum, and a little bit of inland, exploring cenotes and stuff. But this place is incredible, and it's probably the most accessible luxury destination of anywhere else in this video. But they have a wide scale of places, from budget-friendly, all-inclusive places to kind of super private and super luxurious destinations. This is another great honeymoon destination, and if you're looking to relax, it's perfect. You can just get on a quick plane from the States and have an amazing resort stay for a few days to a week. Aside from all the luxury and beautiful hotels and resorts, there is so much to do there, from waterfalls to cenotes to scuba diving to boat rides. It's an incredible place. But anyways, that wraps up this video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the next video.